If you want to remove Telegram restrictions and turn off content filtering, I'll show you the quickest way to do it, step by step. This is a simple setting change, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute or two. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer, and go to Telegram Web. Once the page loads, log into your Telegram account. You'll want to make sure you're signed into the correct account before changing any settings, especially if you use Telegram on multiple devices. After you're logged in, look to the top left corner of the screen. You should see the 3 horizontal lines, which is the main menu button. Click that menu icon to open Telegram's sidebar. From there, find and select Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of the account preferences, privacy options, and content controls. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. That's the section where Telegram places the controls related to visibility, safety, and content filtering. Now keep scrolling until you reach the Sensitive Content section near the bottom. This section is the one you need if you want to remove certain restrictions from your Telegram experience. Once you find it, check the box for Disable Filtering. Enabling this option tells Telegram not to filter sensitive content in supported views, which can remove some of the restrictions you may have been running into. After you check the box, the settings should save automatically. In some cases, you may need to refresh Telegram Web or reopen the app for the change to fully take effect. If you're not seeing the difference right away, give it a moment and then check the same area again to confirm the setting is still enabled. And that's it. You've now removed Telegram restrictions by disabling filtering in Telegram Web. It's a very quick fix once you know the path. Open Telegram Web, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, scroll to Sensitive Content, and enable Disable Filtering. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to guide.